Hello, everyone. Welcome to Let's Speak English Easily. My name is Lori, and I will be your teacher today. Today, we are going to learn the 7 days of the week. There are 7 days in one week, and they all end with the word day. And we are going to go over each and every one of them. Are you ready to get started? Are you ready to learn the 7 days of the week? Okay, so am I. Let's get started. Our first day of the week is Sunday. Sunday. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. And our last one, Saturday. Saturday. All right, guys, we have just completed going over our 7 days of the week. Now what we are going to do is repeat them and go over them again. So listen carefully. Let's do it again. Let's start with Sunday. Sunday. Monday. Monday. Tuesday. Tuesday. Wednesday. Wednesday. Thursday. Thursday. Friday. Friday. And our last one, Saturday. Saturday. Great job. You guys have done excellent today. I truly hope that you enjoyed the video and that you learned what the 7 days of the week are. I look forward to seeing you in my class very soon here at Let's Speak English Easily.